Hey guys, it's Scott with Yakima again. Today we are going to install the EZ+1 onto the Dr. Tray hitch rack. The EZ+1 turns your super lightweight 2-bike Dr. Tray into a 3-bike hauler. Third tray adds less than 10 pounds to the weight of the rack. Plus, it's super easy to install. Let's do it! Out of the box, it comes with a wheel tray, a wheel cup, and a few pieces of hardware. You can mount an EZ+1 to either the 2-inch or 1.25-inch versions of the Dr. Tray. First, open the quick change levers on the Dr. Tray and slide both wheel trays back. Then, get your bolts set up by installing a lock washer and then a washer onto all four. Place the EZ+1 onto Dr. Tray, making sure to align the 4 holes. Secure the EZ+1 by installing your bolts with washers into each hole. Tighten completely using the provided wrench. Okay, now it's time to attach the wheel cup. Insert the lock post through the hole in the wheel tray and the wheel cup, front to back. Then secure with an E-clip. A good trick is to use the large end of one of the SKS keys to apply pressure and secure the E-clip. That's it. You're ready to roll. Your third bike loads the same way as the other 2 bikes on Dr. Tray. The EZ+1 even has its own SKS locking cable included. Dr. Tray can still be moved to 3 different positions with EZ+1 installed by using the remote control tilt lever. Flat when bikes are loaded and you are driving, down when bikes are loaded and you want to access your trunk or tailgate, and up when the rack is empty and you want to keep it out of the way. That's it. Don't forget, the Dr. Tray with EZ+1 can still open your post-ride beverage in a hurry. See you next time.